Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit dark steel blue using Lightroom. Here are example photo before and after using this filter. DNG and XMP file is protected by a password. Password is posted on the video. It will appear on the upper right corner. So let's start editing. First go to basic panel. For this photo, temperature +10. Ambient +2. Exposure to 0.20. Contrast +32. Highlights to -40. +84 shadows. Whites -80. And black -84. Texture +10. Clarity +30. Anti-haze +5. Vibrance +60. And saturation -40. Go to curve. Follow these steps. And done. Go to color mix. First go to hue. For red -5. Go to orange -10. -25 for yellow. Go to green -8. Next go to Aqua plus 100. Go to Blue plus 20. Go to Purple plus 100. Now go to Saturation plus 5 for red. Next go to Orange -10. Go to Yellow -60. Go to Green -100. Next go to Aqua -100. -94 Blue. Go to Purple -88. Now go to Luminance. Go to Red plus 5. Plus 3 for Orange. Go to Yellow plus 5. Next go to Green plus 3. Plus 10 for Aqua. Go to Blue -40. And done. Now go to Split Toning. Go to Shadows, Hue 210 and Saturation 5. Now go to Detail, Noise Reduction, plus 45 for Luminance. Plus 60 for Detail. 10 for Contrast. Now go to Effect. -15 for Amount. Midpoint to 60. Roundness plus 20. And Feather plus 73. Now let's try to create this preset. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next video.